Well, friends, hello and welcome you all to my channel named genuinereview.com. So, friends, today I am going to tell you something about this great earning platform named CPAGrip. Friends, CPA means cost per action. That means if uh, if a user completes an offer through your link, and then offer could be completing a survey or downloading some stuff or to submitting any form, then you will get paid for it. So friends, that is what CPA grip means. So friends, how you can register on CPA grip? You just have to come to this site and just to fill in your details over here, and you can select like how you want to register. Actually, by default you can choose publisher type, and just you can create your account. So friends, like if I log in into my account, I will show you it's how this CPA works. So friends, when I log into my account, I can see dashboards where I can see that where you can see that many of user have earned on CPA grip. You can see like many of user, some of them have earned $9, some of have earned $7, and many of earned $14. So these are real earning, friends, that most of the user have made using CPAGrip. And when if you ask me that why I haven't earned till yet, so friends, that's because I have just started this CPA grip at least 2 to 3 days back. So actually, I'm also working hard, and one of my friend have suggested this to me because he is already making money from it. Okay, so friends, if you just have logged into CCP grip, and if you go into your dashboard, you can see various stuff here, like in statistics and charts, you can see that how many user have clicked onto your link, how many user have you on your site, how many user have clicked on your site, how many leads you have got, and how many revenue you have made. Okay, so that's info that you can just check out from here. There is an another tool which is very important for you, using which you can create your offers, friends. So one of the offer is content locker. So friend, what this content locker means, that you will lock a content. That means that if a user is reading some stuff on your site, and if the user have liked the content, and if he want to read more content, then a offer would be popped in front of a user. Then in order to read the full content, you have to complete this survey, like as you can see, friends, on my screen. Okay, so this offer could be popped up if the page loads, or if a user click anywhere on your site. And friends, you can choose from many templates that are available here. Okay, so this survey is meant for both desktop and mobile use, friends. Okay, so these are the desktop templates that you can use if you wish to target your user from desktop or laptop, and these are the template you can use for mobile, like if you want to target your user from mobile itself. Okay, so in the same way, you can use file lockers. So friends, as you can see that I have created file lockers here. So this is one of my file locker. So friends, what I have done, I have just put this link. This is a Google Doc share link. Okay, if I open this link, you can see that I have created a doc where I have put a downloadable link to a song. So what this means, if a user complete this survey, then he will be able to download this file for which I get paid, friends. Okay, so this is what this means. So similarly here, friends, you can choose as many templates as you want, so that this would be more uh, interactive for your users, and he will surely get engaged to your content, and he will surely uh, download through your link. Okay, so these are the various templates that have been given here. So similarly you can go for video locker. So friends, video locker is used for locking the video. So friends, as you know that many of us want to view the movie that have just launched, or have the movie which have been just released. So friends, as you know that many of us just don't like to paid for the new movie. We all just want to watch the movie for free. So friends, here you can take advantage for the same. What you can do, you just can download any null movie from any of the site. You can search for some torrent site to download the full movies, friends. And what you can do, you just can upload that movie link onto your site, or to any of the free uploading site, or either you can load that movie on Google Drive, friends. Okay, so once you have uploaded that movie on Google Drive, then you just can create a new video locker, and here you would be providing all info like what you have provided in both of these offers, in content locker and URL file locker. The user have to just complete the offer like I have just mentioned in my uh, previous offer. Here you can choose any of the template that you want, friends. Okay, there are various templates are available here. Okay, so if the user completes this offer, and if he download the movie, then you would get paid for the same. Okay, so friends, similarly you can opt for uh, offer walls. So here on offer wall, just don't need to means there are pre-built uh, offers would be here, friends. Okay, so you just can choose you can also just select a template from here that you want to use, that you want your user to view. Okay, so once he click and download the offer, you will earn, friends. Okay, and friend, also CPAGrip is having a good uh, referral program where you will receive 5% of your users commissions. Suppose that if some of your user are making handsome income from this CPA grip, then you can earn the 5% of each of your users commission from this thing. Okay, and friend, you just can request for a payout using any of these PayPal methods. Either you can use Payoneer, or if you are living in USA, you can directly opt for bank transfer, or else you can go for PayPal, friends. Okay, so friends, the minimum payout amount is $50. So once you reach the $50, you can easily withdraw the money into uh, any of these PayPal, yeah, any of these payment methods, friends. Okay, and friend, if you got any, if you have any doubt regarding any of thing that you are promoting, they do have a good they do have a contact support, and they also have got the phone support. Like if you wish to directly call to any of their consultant, and you can get your solutions, friends. Okay, so from here also you can just uh, reach out to their customer support team. Okay, so friends, this is in brief about CPA Grip. And friends, just if you want to know more about CPA Grip, I do have a website named getgenuinereview.com, where I have provided all details about the CPA Grip, like how you can make money and what steps you have to take in order to just increase your profit, friend. So uh, you simply can go to my site and just check out yourself. Often at the earlier of video, I've told you that one of my friend is earning. So friends, this is the earning proof of my friend who have earned more than $3,000 from CPA, and his payment method is PayPal, friends. Okay, so this is the earning proof that a friend have been made. And friends, trust me, like if you learn the secret of this CPA marketing, then you can earn a lot, my friends. You can leverage your income using CPA marketing. You just have to put your hard efforts for a couple of months, like 2 or 3 months, and afterwards, when you get used to it, and when you know all the loophole of this CPA marketing, then you can earn a good commission from it, friends. Okay, so friends, that's all about the CPA grip. And if you have got any kind of query on any kind of doubt, you just can you just can mail me on my email address, which I'll be putting below this video. And also I'll be putting my mm, WhatsApp number below this video. Like if you don't like to mail, you can easily send me a WhatsApp message on my number. And also I will provide my Instagram handler account, so you can you can send me a message through my Instagram. So friends, hope you have enjoyed this video. So may God bless you all, and just may all your wish come true. So thanks again, friends.